Today is the launch of our new innovation centre here in Bedford Technology Park. I think over the last 20-25 years, most of the OEMs have had innovation centres or showrooms in the area, and sadly, since the pandemic, most of them have closed them. So for anyone who's looking at digital printing, packaging, new innovation, new technology, everybody has to go a lot further afield. So looking from the Midlands upwards to Scotland, we're looking to sort of take to the graphics market an awful lot of products, an awful lot of innovation, and an awful lot of experience that we can share with people for them to make more money. In the showroom is the Fujifilm range of digital print engines. We've got their latest 5-colour technology, which enables you to run CMYK with a spot colour. Running CMYK with the pink enables you to hit a lot more accurate spot colours like orange, Pantone 121, and a range of colours which a lot of digital print engines can't hit. So it's not just about running CMYK plus, it's about being able to maybe migrate some short run offset litho work onto silks, gloss and uncoated papers, but being able to accurately hit those RGB spot colours. On top of that, we're showcasing XMPI's award-winning multi-channel e-commerce platform. And really that's about, well, it's 3 key areas. 1, it's marketing automation with campaign management. So helping people reach out to their client base, whether it's B2B or B2C. 2, it's all about personalisation. So bringing that emotional, personal factor, again, whether it's in the B2B market for direct mail campaigns, or whether it's in the business to consumer market for promoting merchandise online, and driving incremental revenue streams. And we've also got a full range of digital die cutting, foiling, laminating and card box making, finishing equipment. So it's quite a well-packed showroom. It's lovely, so lovely to see so many customers here today, both existing customers and new customers that are looking to drive innovative products through their own business. I think for most customers, knowledge is key. Their day-to-day workload and their own challenges is dealing with their own customers and getting their work through. So for them, it's about taking a step back and taking time out of their day-to-day roles to come and look at what's new in the market. And I think the value that every customer walks away with is they'll see at least 2 or 3 different things which they haven't seen before here today. It's bringing that digital reality to life in here. So someone can walk in and start their journey by talking to XMPI. Within 5-10 minutes, they can be on a print engine and be printing their own files, their own customer work. They can be finishing it on new different types of digital die cutting or foiling or laminating machines, and they can walk away with their own product. And they haven't really had many manual touch points. You can't do that just with Fujifilm. You can't do that just with XMPI. You can't do that just with Morgana or with Vivid. And you can't do it without innovative products. But when you put them all together, like we have in this innovation centre, I think that's the real value. We have another event coming up in July, which we're hosting with XMPI and with Vivid Laminating Technologies. So we'll have some different types of finishing equipment in the showroom, and that's going to be tailored more at the packaging end of the market. So there's different types of businesses that offer different things. It's really making sure that we captivate the whole marketplace and not just one element of it. I think the real value that JetTech bring to the marketplace and to the graphics sector specifically is piecing everything together and selling the value. And the value that we have with the support of Fujifilm and their system of engineering and services that underpins digital technology, and the support we have from our other manufacturers, when we bring it all together, it makes one hell of a package.